What's up, guys? Welcome back. So we are going to be modifying the other Mazda 3 today, and we are going to be doing a lighting upgrade. Today we are going to be installing LED lighting on the Mazda 3 sedan, and they take H11 bulbs for the low beams and the fog lights, so we're going to be doing both of those today. And I just purchased this brand, I don't even know how to pronounce it, LASFIT. So they're similar to the ones that I have on mine already, but they look like that, and they're just like clear white, and then I've got the reverse lights here. Alright, let's get started. So removing this just to let your arm have more space in there. Took the bulb out, and you won't be able to see it, but there's the connector, so you'll connect it to that and then you'll just plug your new bulb in. So here's our new bulb. I would highly recommend getting it into the housing in here, getting it into place, and then connecting it. So to get my hand back into here, I had to end up just taking this box and kind of shifting it over, because the bulb goes in at a weird angle and then you have to turn it. So one down, one to go. Passenger side is a walk in the park compared to the driver's side, because you don't have your fuse box and air box, so all you have to do is just like reach right in, and it doesn't matter how big your hands are, you can fit them in there. All right, so before I said one down, one to go, it was actually one down, three to go. Now it's two down, two to go. Let's get them fogs taken care of. So to get to the fog lights, there's a bolt here, a bolt back here, and a bolt up here, which you can use one of these or a Phillips head screwdriver. So you get all three of those off to get your hand up in to get the bulb out. So this here was a 5/16. That's what works to get these down. So now, as you can see, we have a little space to pull this down. You just don't want to pull it too hard, because then it'll kind of sag down after you get the screws back in. So the fog lights, they do fit, but when they're in place, this little metal piece, they kind of touch that, so because it's metal, I think it'll be fine, but we'll see how that works out. Three down, one to go. Okay, so passenger side is the same deal, and as you can see, this is sagging here, and I haven't touched it yet, so car must have hit something and caused that to kind of hang down like that. Alright, like I always say, always something. One of them was DOA, so I have to send it back. But I did have a spare LED bulb from when one of my other sets went out. I saved one of them, so let's see if I can get that in, just so I don't have to have one yellow fog bulb and mismatchy lights while I send the other one back. Alright, although one of them is a fill-in and the bad one is down there, they're looking good. Not sure if you'll be able to hear it, but the fan noise on the new ones is a lot quieter than the ones I used. Which is cool. Alright, and then in the trunk, all you have to do is remove this clip, down here, and then maybe this one. But just give yourself some room. And then the other side, same thing. So yeah, I ended up removing that one too, and then that just gives you room here, and then literally this is your bulb. Just pop this out. So the way this is designed is you have to unclip this first, because there's a piece of plastic here that doesn't let you twist it until that's off, so be careful you don't break that plastic piece off. And to get this off, it looks like you have to just press in this little tab, and then this will pop off. It's a very odd design, but nonetheless, pushed in the tab, this popped off, and then now I'm able to Alright, so let it be known that hatchbacks have a totally different type of bulb that they use, and this does not work. So we will not be doing the reverse lights today. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.